Hi, welcome to this video. Here we'll see how to map SOLIDWORKS file properties to SharpBOM. So look for the button and click on Sync Fields. This will put the fields on SharpBOM. It'll take a while on your system. So then you can go to the SharpBOM client, go to Settings, Channel Settings, SOLIDWORKS Fields, and turn those fields on. Use, don't forget to save. Then go to BOM lines, search for a nice field type and rename it to the name you want to use, for example CAD division. Select the field from the drop down and turn visible. Save again, and you can now send another assembler or bigger assembler, top assembler, to SharpBOM again, and this time you will have those fields updated. So refresh the BOMs, you'll see the latest on top. Open it with double click, and there you go, you have a field there. Thank you, see you on the next video.